So next is fundamental primitives, points, lines, and polygons of Valorant. Number one is points. Spawn points is initial location where players start each round, like this. Like um that one. Like this. Kunwari,
Okay,
yan.
we know the drill.
Is the start
Stick to your
points
roles and we'll crush it.
of the enemy attacking. And dito naman sa kabila is the side, the defender's location where start player each round. Okay. Then go back. Next is the
I
bomb
got the
site
spike.
specific points of the map where spikes can be related. Dito. Dito naman, dito is A. Yan. Dito is A site. You can plant here over D. Kung saan yung may mga lines sa ganyan, doon mo siya pwede i-plant. Like this, and this. Ayan. Tapos dito. Dito sa may gilid. Basta hindi siya lalampas sa line. Tapos dito. Kahit saan dyan. Basta pwede rin dito sa taas. Ayan. Okay. Pero the others, pag lumagpas ka na sa lines, hindi na siya pwede mag-plant. Dito lang sa may mga lines. Ayan. Dito sa ilalim. And the other side naman is on B. Ayan. Dito sa B. Makikita mo rin yung lines na yan kung saan lang siya pwede i-plant. Right here. Pwede rin dito sa taas. Ayan. Dito sa dulo ng lines. Ayan. This is site B. Pwede dito. Ayan. Basta sa dulo siya ng lines. Kahit dito sa ilalim. Tapos next is map control points. Key location that provides strategic advantage as such as high grounds and position and choke
Hi!
points.
I'm pissed!
Ayan. Ayan. Katulad nito, parang ito yung map control points. Key location provides strategic advantage, highly position and choke points. Kunwari, magpa-plant yung kalaban. Wait.
Hi! I'm pissed!
Ayan. Kunwari, dito.
Spike dropped.
Magpa-plant yung kalaban.
Spike's here.
Yan. Ano, pa-plant yung kalaban. Tapos andito ka. Advantage mo is habang nagpa-plant siya, syempre di naman nakalabas yung ganyan. So, pwede mo siya mapatay habang nagpa-plant. Yun. And number 2 is lines. Path of sign lines, route pathways that connect different areas to map, influencing movement and tactical positioning. Yan. Kunwari, attacking ka. Parang ga. Yan. Kunwari, attacking ka. Dito yung push nyo sa A pag pupunta kayo ng A. And paths and sightlines, route pathways to connect different areas, map influencing movement and tactical. Yan. Dito. Ayan. Kailangan makapunta ng site 20. Next is line of sight, clear paths between players and potential engaging zone, affecting visibility and shooting angles. Parang dito. Ayan. Kunwari may smoke yan. Ayan, may smoke
Blocking
lahat
sight,
yan.
blocking sight, blocking sight.
Kailangan matanggal mo na i-smoke bago ka makapatay. Ayan. Next is map boundaries, invisible lines, and that defines playable areas and restrict movements beyond the boundaries. Neto, itong mga lines dito. Hanggang dito ka lang pwede. Yan. Yan. Hindi ka na pwede pumunta doon or hindi ka na pwede mag-jump dito. Ganyan. No? Hindi ka na pwede mahulog doon. Tapos dito pa, yan. May mga lines din dito. Dito sa hanggang dito ka lang sa dulo. Ganyan. Yan. Next is map layout. The overall structure of the map defined by interconnected polygons that form rooms, corridors, open spaces, and cover areas. Katulad na lang nito, merong rooms na papasukan. Yan. Yan, corridors and defending it. Providing a interconnected polygons, rooms,
I
or
got the spike.
corridors, open spaces, or cover areas. Sa tulad nito, cover areas to. Ito, naka-cover ng buong ito. Yan. Tapos, dito, ayan, yung spaces, mga space. Ayan, meron siyang dito. And ito, cover areas, tulad nito. Ayan, parang kitchen. Ayan, ayan. Tapos, next is cover objects, polygonal structures such as walks create boxes and barriers that provide tactical cover, influence line of sight dynamics. Tulad nito, may box dito, di ba? Ayan. And pwede ka magtago dito. When enemies attacking, you can smoke this one, you can smoke this one. When they push, you can start firing to them. Ayan. Tulad nito, may box advantage into to pick the enemy
Here.
who's speaking here with the up,
Boy,
like that.
I'm pissed.
So when enemy pick like that, when he picks, you have the advantage like that. Ayan. Then next is bomb site areas, polygonal regions where bomb site are located often featuring strategic positioning and multiple entry points, attacking, defending. Tulad nito, yan. This is bomb site area. You need to
Blocking
smoke
sight.
this, smoke
Blocking
this
sight.
one, smoke that one to get on site and plant
Here.
the bomb here. Yan. Yan, katulad nito, kunwari may enemy dyan. Yan. Kailangan
Blocking
may
sight.
smokan yan, kailangan may smokan to.
Blocking sight.
Tapos yan, para makapunta ka ng site. To plant. Ayan. Tapos, yan. 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 Next is building complex objects with meshes of Valorant. Number one is character model. Mesh definition. Character models in Valorant are detailed meshes or defined shape, appearance, and movements and animation of agents. Tulad nito, ayan. Animation siya. Ayan. Ayan, may slide siya. Ayan, may slide. Ayan, may skill siya. Pwede niya ako may stun. Ayan, they have a shape. Ayan. Appearance, movement, animation, agents. Next is customization. Variants of characters models such as different skin or accessories often involve modifying or overlaying mesh components. Tulad nito. Ayan. Ito, skin ko to. Ayan. Bandal. Tapos, ayan, yung sa kanya, ito. Ibang ano naman, ibang accessories naman to na nakalagay sa kanya. Ayan. Or ito. Ayan. Ayan, pag shoot siya. Number 2 is weapons and equipments. Weapon models. Each weapon in Valorant is represented by a mesh that includes details like texture, animation, reloading, and firing sequences. Tulad nito, itong weapon na to. Meron siya, iba yung tunog niya, di ba? Iba rin yung tunog nito. Tapos meron din siyang animation. Yan, that's the animation. And reload and firing sequence. Meron din siyang
You? Outrun me?
Meron din siyang tunog pag namamatay yung kalaban. Parang ito. Ayan.
What's this?
Ayan. And utility items mesh utility like grenade, spike, and deployed abilities and designed to be visual distinct, easily recognized. Tulad na ito, yun. Yung abilities, ayan. Meron siyang knives, ayan. Ayan, meron din siyang ult.
Why? I'm pissed.
Ayan. Ayan. Ayan, pwede niya patayin
My
ng
ult.
with
What's
ult.
this?
Ayan, meron siyang dash.
My
Ayan.
what's this?
Ayan.
My what's this?
Yun. Next is environmental assets. Buildings and structures. Maps in Valorant feature intricate environmental meshes for buildings, walls, and other architectural elements that provide cover and define map flow. Props and next is props and interactables. Meshes and inactive objects such as doors, crates, and distractible barriers and depth to gameplay strategic position. Ganun. Yan. Tulad nun. Yan. Kanina yung nasabi ko. Optimize. Yan is special effects and animation. Particles effects meshes are used to define particle system and effects like gunfire, explosion, ability visualization. Tulad ng sabi ko kanina, yun. Yan. Oh. Meron siyang ano, meron siyang effect. Tulad nito pag yan, i-inspect. O kaya tignan nyo yung gun bodies, yung nakalagay na parang cow. Pag mga barrel, nag-ano siya, nagiging angry, ganun. Animation rigs, rig meshes allow complex animation of characters and objects, enhancing realism and gameplay immersion. Next is optimization and performance, level of detail. Multiple version of meshes varying polygon counts are used to optimize performance based on a distance and the level, ensuring smooth gameplay in different hardware configuration. Collision meshes. Simplified meshes used for collision detection, enable accuracy interaction between players, objects, and environment without sacrificing performance. Next is introduction to parametric surface of Valorant. Parametric equation, definition and application. Computer graphics parametric surfaces are defined by mathematical equation that describe points in three-dimensional space based on the parameters. This equation allow the creation of smooth intricate surfaces that can represent various objects, terrain, features, and architectural elements in the game. Number 2 is environmental design. Terrain in landscape. Parametric surface are used to model natural terrain such as hills, like this. That's a hills, valleys, and uneven landscape in Valorant maps. This surface define as the shape, elevation, and texture mapping of the terrain, providing a realistic and immersive environment for gameplay. Next is structural elements. Building and objects, parametric surfaces are employed to create buildings, walls, pillars, and structural components within the game. Tulad nito, may mga walls. Yan. Yan. Ito, mga walls to. Here. May mga
Watching here.
pillars. Ito, pillars. This one. Yan. And, defining geometric properties and surface details of these objects, parametric equation ensure that they appear visually appealing and consistent within the game art style. Number 4 is detail and realism. Texture mapping. Parametric surface allowed the application of textures and material onto 3D models, enhancing the visual fidelity of realism objects and environment in Valorant. Number 2 is lighting and shadow. Surface defined parametrically can interact realistic within light and shadows, contributing the overall atmosphere of ambience of the gameplay operands. Katulad nito, meron siyang konting light. Like, hanap tayo ng shadow. Ito, parang dito. Ayan. May mga lights. Ayan. Ayan, intruder alert. Nakalagay, sabi niya. May mga shadows, ganun. Ito, tulad nito. Ayan, realistic lightning and shadows. Ayan. Number 5 is performance optimization, level of detail, LOD management to maintain smooth gameplay performance. Parametric surfaces in Valorant often to use techniques like LOD management, where different levels of detail are used based on the distance from the player's viewpoint. The optimization ensures that resources are allocated efficiently without compromising visual quality. And lastly, gameplay impact is strategic elements. The design of hermetic surface in Valorant influence the gameplay by defining slight lines, cover spots, and movement pathways. These surfaces are strategically placed to create balanced and engaging gameplay scenarios where players can utilize terrains and structures to their advantage game. Yun.